Hey guys, what's up? Um, Back on the blindfold account for my I can't whatever. I'll be honest, I played for about 10 minutes before I recorded it, but then I had to cut it short because we're gonna go out to lunch and I was not told about this. I got to close my window. So it was about 10 minutes before I got like 5 kills or something. So I didn't think it was worth like editing in. So you see that it's a bit higher than last time, yeah. But I didn't gain anything. So I'm not really counting it. I didn't want to like redo everything, so I did not feel the need to. I don't like editing. It's annoying. If these videos ever get enough like traction, I might eventually edit them, but at the moment they just happen. Also, we're about to lose this game in like 2 seconds.
Point C is being attacked.
Okay, so
Sorry?
that answers my question, bro. Because Liliana said Bandcamp
I was
was like
getting
issued,
shot at by a person.
and she said she didn't
missiles.
see me there.
I was
but
at
if
30 health.
high school
Oh,
shooting
keep
was
it down like that. What the fuck are you shooting at?
Oh, what?
Oh, dude, W name. Catboy, love it. This is a bad idea. Aw.
We lost this fight.
I killed 2. You take it. I don't really care about. Well, I want clear water. Clear water's fun for this. I'd also rather do Iceland than Paradise or anything like that. So
like
Iceland's a good map. I enjoy Iceland. I especially enjoy. Don't you fucking. I really enjoy D side. Where's it B? No, it's D. Yeah, that side over there. It's fun. I like that site. I also like B side. And E side if it's over here. The E side over there is kind of annoying. I'm ranting. I said like I'm gonna stop, and I'm definitely not, but whatever. Guys, this seems a little bit bugged. Guys. Yeah, okay. Oh my lord! No, I'm not waiting to get kicked. I'm leaving. Guys, Forefront's a very non-broken game. Siberia Conquest is interesting. I never play Siberia Conquest. I played it like twice. I don't hate it. I always hate the Apache. I hate helicopters. Apache's overpowered as shit, but whatever, I digress. Well, that's fun. I don't even get a squad. Oh, I do get a squad. Yeah. We're gonna go somewhere? No, the fuck we can't. Stop telling us we can turn it around. We very much cannot turn it around. Point proven with the Apache. Well, hopefully they balance up the teams a bit more. Let's go. Not sure where we're going. Okay. I thought we were gonna go get. No? Okay. Oh shit. That's all of the helicopters. No. Okay. Yeah. This is not gonna go well. I'm gonna get red. This is also not good. We're getting pushed. Actively.
Yo, this is Apache, bro.
Candy, I don't know.
I'm done with this. Is that skill?
One's coming up to you, Candy. He's coming up the hill to get you. Oh, you're dead.
I swear I heard something over there. But... Yes, I did. Oh my god. I told you I heard something over there.
Oh, you're not.
Guys, this is not gonna go well for me.
No, I'm not. You are, but.
Not a really good weapon. This is gonna go so poorly.
God. One button. Medic! I need a medic! Medic! I need a medic! Please, I need a medic. Please, someone
Okay,
get
we're
a
gonna get
medic.
A. It doesn't matter. We've already lost this game.
I'm dead.
Hide in there.
The fuck did that come from?
Come up.
Oh. Oh.
Spawn right next to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either in 3, 2,
Dang it, Neil.
My little pistol is not taking down an Apache. Tire gold is to take this.
Sure, because I don't live in.
Just so I can get the XP.
Point A secure.
Yay. Does that give me anything? Okay. We got an actual. Yep. Yay, we took a point. Look at that.
Apache, bro.
I didn't get a single kill. I don't think I really ever had the chance to. No, it's not Mojave. No, Mojave is not good. I played that shit once and it was ass. Oh my lord, we're gonna play Mojave.
I got him with me.
Did you just say Mojave? Did you deadass just say Mojave?
It's Mohave, right?
Kill yourself.
Thought he was on me for a second.
I'm voting
Weird.
I'm good.
Weird. Yes, Clearwater. Clearwater is so much better. I don't know what the difference between Iron Scout and regular is. Guys, is it not pronounced Mojave? Is it like Mohave or something? If it's Mohave, I'm gonna kill somebody. Yes, Clearwater is a respectable map. Mohave or Mojave? I'm gonna call it Mojave. Fuck you. It's small as shit, and honestly, feels like way too overpowered by like machinery,
Shoot him on sight.
like tanks and shit. Feels like it's all that map is. I'm not like super into getting E, but I feel like I should just take
Yeah,
it.
you're done, buddy. You're getting fisted.
What?
We got point E.
We're not gonna deal with that. I'm just gonna hope I survive enough to make it to C.
Point E is being attacked.
Taking C, E, and A is uncontested.
I missed all of those? The fuck?
Oh, shoot, hey, dad.
Huh?
One guy.
What?
Nice in front of him.
Guys, I'm struggling.
Fuck. They are. I don't think so.
Don't be shot at this guy, don't be shot at this guy, don't be shot at this guy, don't be shot at this guy.
C is hot with the helicopter.
Oh, my days.
Oh my god, damn it.
Point C captured.
Oh my god.
Hostiles are attacking
He's
point
hiding in the bush, he's hiding in the bush.
I tried. What's just a B? You know what? I just respect the pistol. Come on, dog.
I still head tap this man
C
There's a
is-
guy in house still. That's why this is
No way
contested
that
as a guy in
actually
house.
died in a bush, though.
Point C is being attacked.
I'll be able to spawn on it. Well, except I won't, because you can't ever actually spawn on C. My bad.
Enemy captured point E.
We lost that. This is annoying, because I'd like slowly make my way in here. Probably a guy over there, and definitely a guy over there.
We got point A. Point A is being attacked.
What? Already?
You just camping in there, bro? Come down here.
I just got here. Oh, that's the spot I used. I can't be mad about that.
Ow.
I didn't see it because I'm blind as shit, but I can't be mad about it. How the fuck did they take E?
Oh my god, I love this game.
Guys, we're gonna lose
Too,
so
I can tell
badly.
there's some issues.
What are we? Where are we going? Going D?
What color right here? I'm gonna get yeah. No. Well,
Are we like a bomb? They fucking C4.
I suicided it, but that's okay.
AJ Coles, great job fucking protecting me. Just sitting there in the Humvee gun and just watching. the
Mooney
guy.
did that thing dead.
Also, there's guys.
We're losing so badly right now. I would like to drop in at like C or something. That's beautiful. I didn't even throw my nade.
Oh, top killer? I am the top
What's
killer.
unflattering?
See, when you don't have any sights in the remotely used, like this is out in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. Just what? I love not being able to play the game just because I spawned someone on the wrong time. There's no point care. This confuses the shit out of me. Where do these guys keep coming from?
I need more bullets. I need more bullets.
Can't get
Because we need to be trying to take care of the B and C areas. It's so important. If I get fucking shot in the back another time, I swear.
Blindfold. I need bullets.
Give me more bullets.
Awesome. I have 2 more mags.
Ay, 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 ay.
I have 2 more mags.
I don't have a way of being super safe right now until I get like in here.
What's the eyes and the eyes?
Just have to like hope. There we go. We'll actually look back in the house. I don't have any information on anyone's position. Okay, look into this house. We're just gonna house hop.
Leon, I'm coming.
Squatter rights type shit.
Yeah, you go. Coming. There's a guy below. Axe, below. Right here with me. Blindfold, you can't keep stunk. Look at all that armor, and he hides like a little scared cat. Bro, what are you peeking for? This is not Call of Duty.
Hell no. You ain't getting me.
Get back here. I'm sorry. So you can shoot me when I'm over here, but when I see blood spatters come out of you know what? I digress. I'm in my servers. I'm not sure how that's happening.
Yeah.
Well, I jumped. Give me them toes. I can't get in there. I didn't. He's able to jump in.
Wait, what? You get in here.
Winchester.
As soon as this becomes congested, I'll like
Okay,
be
so
more
Winchester's
worried. But
over
right now, how does that happen? How did I turn? Well, we tried. We did not succeed. It means also I have nowhere to spawn now. That's fine.
I love just jumping through the window.
We are not winning this game.
Get up.
This is such a massive team diff. Because Forefront refuses to ever balance their teams. I'm gonna wait till D
I
is
see one more
things
level
and
to
spawn
make
D.
it full steam, and I will beat the
This is what Forefront needs to work on. Forefront refuses to balance teams.
Point D captured.
Like, ever. I cannot wait to have an actual gun.
What? Oh my god.
Oh!
The gun that guy was using, the fucking,
Thanks.
the revolver. It's a decent pistol, and I can't wait to have it.
Point E captured.
Someone explained to me how I was missing. I suck at guys, my bad. Oh yeah, I should probably do this one because I don't think this matters like at all.
Just popped out a window. Like, hello.
There is no point in munition specialist. I'm gonna stand to that.
Okay, so how we doing up
Uh-oh.
No, I'm running away from Wilbur. Fuck no.
Okay, I got a couple hits on the pilot.
I'm just gonna start using my laser more.
Got a revive.
There's no one there.
Okay.
I've already lost hope when I was winning this game.
Yo, they're
So-
obsessed with getting over there.
You guys.
Oh wow, and this guy's basically holding this. Fuck did that guy go? I'm scared now.
They're on top of the building. Right side.
We're still winning, but they're capping us. Oh,
Enemy is attacking point D.
Got it.
Okay, we're definitely gonna get B. That's huge. Yeah, no, it's just no way you live there. We didn't even get B. Or we fuck. Okay.
I'm on Bravo.
They have like 8 people on D, which is why it's capturing the speed of fucking
Enemy
light.
captured point D.
Oh shoot. One got me. Run. What gun do you have?
Point B is ours.
Dude is absolutely streaming.
Yeah, there's no shot I'm peeking that. There is no shot I'm peeking that.
He's coming from below.
kind of flying this thing.
So you want to generally keep your laser off inside to not give away your position.
What, you hurt me? Aw, text.
Use one inside the use one.
Ronnie, one guy.
One guy inside. Medic, go.
There.
Go
What
in.
the heck? Oh, I almost got him.
Winchester,
No, I was about to
Winchester.
get him. I was about to place it.
Where's Winchester?
Dude, I'm holding this down
Ah, you
pretty
killed
well
me.
for only having a pistol.
As soon as he killed me, I get it. What was that? Obliterated.
Enemy is attacking point D.
Oh my god. I really missed that. That's annoying.
Medic. Yeah, it's a loot.
Okay.
Engineer, I got you. I'll go to engineer.
Let me
Another revolver?
You let this like
move. I'm not in a good spot. We're gonna move out. Play over here. We need to get C. I don't think I can go in and get C effectively.
Damn, 16 kills, 8 deaths.
Dude, the fact I'm going 21 and 11 right now. Mostly from holding this building. But honestly, whatever, man. I still only have a pistol.
Clear water.
The fact I'm going positive is a miracle.
Yeah, man, because I gotta have the front hand free. I didn't think about that.
That was intense as shit.
Yo, bro, don't go back to me. Don't go back.
No shot, they saw me, right?
Yeah, like,
Enemy is attacking point A.
down that stupid ass little bird.
Point D captured.
No, he's
All
our
they had
little
to do.
bird.
Oh yeah, see all this?
Our little bird.
God dang!
Uh-oh, they're rushing.
I really tell them when it gets congested. Is it contested?
Enemy is attacking
It's contested, not congested. I apologize. I'm close enough. I can see congested working too. Even though it's definitely not what the word means. Okay, we need help at B again, so that's what my next goal is. Okay, somehow we like turned this game around. There's also a claymore in there. But we have like everything right now. Except A. Might skip type. Dude, Forefront makes me schizo, I swear.
Keep pushing.
You're like, wait, I swear I just saw movement in that. Nope, 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 not accuracy.
Somehow C survived.
Enemy is attacking point C.
I'm be more concerned about. We can go for A. I'll say I might trust the teammates at D.
Assault, I need some ammo. Assault, can I get some ammo?
No, I can.
Assault. Thank you.
If you are, and I'm just blind there, you can go.
I said thank you.
Ooh, lag spike.
Enemy has control over point C.
Yeah, I've gotten a couple. Oh, yeah, purple.
I'll leave.
On me.
Oh, he's in the building.
That's my fault. How the fuck they get C back? Okay, maybe we can stay in this area.
Yeah, you got him.
If we hold with what we have now, we would win. You don't want to be
Someone's
playing
down
bottom
there.
floor.
Can I get some ammo?
I would like to take C.
Yeah, they got him.
Should not have won that.
Wow.
I'm gonna camp in this corner because I'm low.
2 against 1, that's always
There's
wins.
south.
Actually, there's four of
Yeah,
us
there's
over
the
there.
guy. Yeah, well, yeah, not Rambo yet.
JJM, I'm coming for you.
Yeah, take top house. It's important.
Oh,
Point B is being attacked.
Okay, I need to go.
Okay.
medic.
Can't spawn here anymore.
I'm trying. I just need to plug in my headset.
It's fine.
I want a map. I would literally like a map. No, okay, it's only missing A. That's fine. Let's go back over to B to help.
Enemy is attacking point B.
Okay, do this.
That's one.
God, the factory one that game is fucking wild. Okay.
Somebody making pizza bites?
Oh, that's
Second frag is not bad at all.
So good.
oh, yeah, I can't
I'm gonna nuclear water again.
see. Is this dude just standing
I'm gonna go kill her.
dead?
You, sir.
Man, you're coming with me. Coming with me. Oh, man. Dang it, I didn't even see him. Heal me, brother.
In terms of kills, I did third best on my team, but
It's
still really decent. Not Mojev. I'm not calling him Mojev. I don't care if that's what how it's pronounced. Though it probably is. Just when I think about it, I'm like, yeah, you know, Mojev makes more sense. Does not mean I'm gonna start calling it that. I hate this map. I don't even know. I haven't even learned it yet, but it's not a big map, which is what annoys me. I'm gonna take B.
Bless you. I think.
I think I actually hit the tank. Oh, my gunner's still here and pushing. Sorry, we're pushing this other tank right here. Hey, where's this guy you see?
Point D is
Okay,
ours.
got B.
Shoot at him.
There's a helicopter above us. I don't think it's friendly.
Nah, you might be able to shoot him.
No, it's not above us. It's okay. We're fine.
You need me to blow another wall?
Oh no.
Okay, let me see if I can aggro A enough.
Point C is ours.
Got one.
Get back here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
Hostiles are attacking point
really? Oh, well, we still got it, but that's bull. Oh wow. So I mean, this map's fucking tiny, man. This is not a conquest.
Are you an engineer by chance? Okay, we need to go find one. We're like,
Like I can get behind on maps like Clearwater, at least a decent size.
killed one. You were sitting there the whole time.
Point B
Nope,
secure.
I saw your laser. Saw your laser.
This is lasers. Lasers are great for aiming, not good for positioning. Is that how I pronounce it? And then I'm not pronounced. What? Is that how I would say it? Like
Point C is
positioning?
being attacked.
Shit. Well,
Point C. Oh no.
crazy play here.
Oh no. Oh no.
Never mind. It's two of them.
C is my only hope.
Hostiles are
You
attacking.
gotta play stupid. You gotta like take risks when you have only a pistol. I can't play that smart because it just doesn't work. I have to take risks. Yes, you have to be smart with your positioning and all that, but sometimes you gotta like take a leap of faith and like jump onto a container in the middle of the open and hope that they just don't expect you there. It's not a smart decision,
Refreshing the
but it might be the best
bar,
one.
It gives you like double the breath hold time or some shit. Like, it's not that hard to make it a better perk.
Mr. Beast, give me some money.
Point A is under attack.
Oh no, I used
NILS, is that you?
What the fuck? Where's it supposed to take me?
Like, no?
That is not helpful.
It's been a long time.
Oh, it's gonna take me like up onto the
Really,
like the windows or something. Yeah, I'm gonna stand the fact that this map's kind of buns.
I hear. So I've heard.
What the fuck?
Got him. I know. Hold on.
I got him.
You can just bait for my teammate.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I'm up on the roof. He just didn't see me, and I have to.
I'm gonna hide in this because there's a thing above me.
There's
Our
another guy. I
tank.
just saw.
Enemy tank. Where is their entire team?
Oh no, that's not fun.
Over here. That's a tank. That's an SUV.
Oh, Humvee.
Has the Humvee been taken care of yet?
Yeah, I just watched it explode.
See that really loud sluggy tank coming right towards us?
Point C is under attack.
Yeah,
And two people just entered a kind of absolutely.
got one.
Where'd that tank go? That's some.
Store.
Dude, I'm not even. I can't even find anyone.
Hostiles are attacking point C.
Oh, great. Let me walk over there.
He's
That was
low.
fast.
He's really low. He's really low.
Got him.
No, don't do this. What am I doing?
35 minutes minimum.
Mike, we did that if I had an assault rifle. Fuck, not a pistol. See, I can't do anything with this map.
It's okay,
What?
teammate, I'm right here.
Okay.
This is so boring.
What?
Very.
Like, this is a fairly full lobby, but no one exists. I'm not walking over there.
What's like the
Did you just redeploy or did some
Halfway
shit?
to winning.
like this game exists? Alright, they're pulling
Someone's
up.
here.
Point D is under attack.
Okay.
Got him.
Come here, teammate.
No one's here again.
He's here.
Yes, sir.
Careful, he's here. He's here. He's coming up.
Oh, fucking up on the
Crazy
fucking
guy.
corner, you
Can I get some
bitch.
ammo?
Get inside.
Fuck you want me to do?
Hey, ammo man.
Pistol, man.
Ammo
Give
man.
it.
Literally have to play unexpected. I have to take you by surprise while I'm not winning the fucking fight.
You're dead.
Oh no.
You're
What the fuck, that was good.
D-E... Or, sorry. D-A-E-D.
Someone's coming.
B-A-E-D.
Oh yeah, they're outside the.
Baid.
Someone's screaming.
B-A-E-D. Yo, what does B-A-E-D stand for? Or spell?
What happened to the tank? Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no!
Point A is under attack.
They didn't hit me once.
Oh no!
They were mad. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no. Medic.
The fact I've tied that is amazing to me. Do I have my...
Oh no!
Just hold that there, okay.
I don't know this thing.
Point A is being attacked.
Oh shit, you can aim up here? I didn't realize you could aim that high. Also, why the fuck does that one shot? Yeah, I digress. Like, again, I feel like I'm not doing anything. I'm wandering around. I end up dying because I don't like waiting 8 years to fight someone.
Oh, okay, but... Yeah. Oh, there's a lag is crazy. Damn, that's not crazy.
Point D is being attacked.
No.
They're attacking point
I didn't fully kill it. I just kind of... It's just kind of there now. I kind of had to hero play that though, so I'm not like mad about how I played that. I did what I had to do.
You can go to random song. Speed up, 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 up.
Yeah, no, I was fucked there. As soon as that tank was there and decided to even try to kill me, I was fucked.
I have an RPG now.
Oh, thank you, my good, my fella.
Actually, we should get to that tank.
I got a tank.
It doesn't have a lot of health, but you do have a
Oh,
tank.
wait, don't leave yet. I'm an engineer. I'm gonna build this thing up.
Where's this guy going? Who knows?
Okay, let's go. Fully healed.
That's fun.
Backwards. I gotta kill him.
You're stuck.
I don't want to drive. I'll come where you guys want.
Guys, I'm a little stuck. I'm a little stuck.
Why are my teeth hurt?
Probably do want to be coming up here. Playing weird.
say goodbye to the tank. I don't like doing it, so we have to say goodbye to the tank.
No.
Oh, getting that.
It's stuck.
There's no shot you made the tank stuck.
Oh, bro, get out of the tank. Oh,
Blindfold, get out of the. Oh, he's unstuck.
That's what someone Rudy would say.
oh shit! Oh god!
I'm dead.
Dude,
Don't leave
that
yet. Don't
thing-
leave. Blindfold. Do not leave. I am him is blindfold. Don't leave.
PS was not stuck. Y'all just didn't even try.
It's really close, man. Okay, bye bye.
No, orange.
I can actually stay in it. No. Oh yeah, let me move this.
That's one for the
Oh.
books. Great job.
Yay. I did not do good or whatever.
ready to find
Oh.
We've looked at
Frozen pizza. Yeah, we should. Sorry, guys. I had to talk to my sister about dinner and stuff coming week. Do not make me play fucking Mojave again. I swear to God. No one wants to do Clearwater. Clearwater. I actually don't even know if tunnels would work, but it doesn't matter. We're playing fucking Mojave again. Mojave.
Pickle tunnel.
I need to put a name. That's how shitty this map is. Like,
I'm doing more hop.
no J. I don't fucking know. Oh, whatever. Shit map. That's its new name. I've only been on this side so far. Let's say I know the map a bit better now.
Let's wait for the tanks.
Yeah, let's go play in the zones kind of most aggression. Let's play over here at C. It's not gonna end well.
You gotta abide by traffic laws.
I can get early possession over it though. That's huge.
Where should we go?
You're on the wrong side of the road, dude. What are you doing?
Oh shit, my bad.
Let me take it.
No,
Point C secure.
Thank you.
Yo, wait, 1.2 right?
I'm gonna stay here.
Point C is under attack.
He's got
Fuck, where? Can't win that, sadly. No shot.
Oh my god.
Wait, do I have no teammates trying to fight C right now? I guess not. Okay. My bad. My bad then.
Blindfold.
Yeah,
you're a
why-
crazy
why-
guy.
yeah, why'd you do that crazy guy? Oh, no, I don't get killed by crazy guy.
Wow, we're not even trying to do it. We're not even trying to go for any sites?
Oh my god.
Okay. So I only had one place I could spawn.
Enemy captured point C.
See you, butter boy.
We took all the vehicles and we all went to C. Every single one of us. No one decided, oh, maybe I should go for D. Or, you know, fucking B even.
Watch this.
Oh my
Why can't
lord.
I not die? You have horrible aim.
I have great aim. I hate one of those. I have terrible. Oh no, blindfold! No blindfold! Stay alive!
Where is that C-Tech? I didn't see. No, I'm instantly dead again. Because I'm getting shit on by snipers in that direction. Now I know.
There's one dude who just keeps respawning and camping. Oh, he's shooting. Watch out, F3, watch out. Top of the rock. Oh, he got me.
He's got sniped.
Guys. I don't remember the ammo.
Can somebody please yo somewhere?
I don't convince these bullets do anything.
No, no.
I was trying to use my pistol. I can't ever get.
I'm actually fairly sure these things don't do damage because it's clipped out like hell. Oh wait, it works now. I don't know what was going on.
Let's set a claymore
Having a lot of forefront issues today.
Oh, I hate when I do that.
Oh no!
Oh, there was someone there.
Okay, so we have no sights.
Please never emote on me again.
Reach, dog.
Something hard in your body. Same thing, Relish. We're supposed to get.
Point D's ours.
We're stealthing our way into C.
Oh,
You're
I'm not
weird.
bad.
Cloud. Oh, you're weird.
Me?
Ow! Medic!
They don't know I'm here.
Point A secured.
Grenade, dummy! Grenade, you dummy!
You should have said that earlier!
You killed me, I killed you, man.
That is not. You kill me, I kill you. That's fast.
So what if I want to touch
Enemy is attacking point D. Enemy is attacking point A.
You're weird!
I'm basically living spawn beacon right now.
Oh, you.
Oh, a body just dropped.
I have no clue where these guys are, and I have no interest in fighting with a pistol.
Welcome back.
Oh, I can't move. Excellent.
Guys, if you guys make them nade this corner and I die, I'm bleeding.
I think if I'm correct.
We've lost point A.
Yeah, you should do that with a grenade
Every
and shoot
clan,
with a gun.
this game is stupid.
Okay, we actually got that. Okay, and I instantly get flanked. But we did actually capture C.
I almost got you, but your stupid teammate. I despise.
Cannot wait until I get an actual pistol.
Oh, medic would almost just tickle me.
Point C is under attack.
Why are you running? You have a gun. Oh my lord.
Alright, just
Guys,
showed that guy my
we're gonna
penis.
win this.
Oh.
I think the only reason I'm remotely high in score right now is because I'm being a living spawn beacon, and I actually am trying to capture points, not just get kills. Me trying to get kills is kind of useless.
Oh wait, no, he shot my.
I have a gun, so I can get kills. Just not a good idea for me to go for it.
Wait, little bird.
I trust that this nade is a better gun than my gun.
Why?
Little bird, go away.
It's not
Little bird,
true.
go away.
You know, just gonna extend this.
Just say you're alive. Oh, what's your beautiful little princess?
I
Point
meant
D has
that
been compromised.
Oh my god.
You're terrible.
That's awkward.
One tap by a shotgun, he got shot, right? He was 3 tapped.
No, I'm talking about different guys.
Yep, one step, I'm a step. You dirty, you dirt, you.
The one that all our teammates died to.
Dirty Jew! No, it's mine now. I stole it.
Why?
No.
That's
No, I stole it. No,
what?
No, I stole it. No. What? Don't
I'm
do
not
that.
going to do good
What you
here.
gonna do
This
about
is
it?
already going so horribly.
Waiting for me. Waiting for me. Waiting
Can I
for
switch
me.
squads?
No.
Really? Like, what are we doing here? This is literally our base. Like, you know what we really need to have control over right now? Our own fucking base that we have control over by default.
I'm trying to prepare.
This guy's gonna stop and shoot, right? Right?
He's fast.
Apparently not. Okay.
Some dude, I just see.
Look at the shot.
Oh, I hit him with my pistol.
I'm gonna hit him with my pistol.
Enemy is halfway to winning.
Got the pistol up his dude. Oh, there's a-
Ah!
This guy knows where I am now.
Well, I didn't see him. I didn't see him.
Never mind, he's on shit.
You son of a gun.
What's weird about this? 2 extra hits. There's a tank there I'm trying to like not expose myself to.
Ow, ow, ow.
You
User, why
didn't
didn't
notice
you
me
say
get
anything?
lasered?
Why didn't you say anything?
Because I died.
I'm blaming you. What do you mean because you died? That means you still say something.
Oh, I didn't? I didn't make it possible.
This is not the only guy.
We got point B.
You're so
That was a stupid play. If this guy didn't have the slowest reaction time a human could have, I should have died there.
I got one of them. I had him back.
Like, we're fighting so hard for C, and we don't even have any other sites. I blame the Mojave.
What?
Worst map Conquest. Is that even true? Tunnels Conquest is also low-key kind of buttons.
Oh no! I need more bullets. I need more bullets.
And a controversial opinion, I don't like Paradise Conquest. Or Rush for that matter. I don't like Paradise.
No, like this is actually terrible.
Yo.
Dude, like, you're actually stopping me so bad. I got a full fan that's giving me a shotgun. I just killed all 4 of them with a P90. Oh, nah.
Enemy is attacking point C.
Like, I'm gonna name myself like Skibby issue, bro. Literally.
Hostiles are attacking point C.
Like, in terms of kills, I'm not doing anything special.
We're falling behind. Fight back, soldier.
No.
Keep dodging all my bullets somehow. Where?
I have no idea where it came
There's just no way you win that.
Point A.
Is there any medkits over here?
Ugh. This map is so open, I hate it. Why do I have to fight everything in the open, or I'm either inside, and it's also open because it's a giant fucking warehouse.
Medkit corner.
None of this is a closed off inside that I can play around. This is fucking open as shit. I can go in weird spaces like up here. But I can't fight range. I've learned this. It doesn't make me stop trying. 'Cause sometimes you do get sneaky kills as well.
You got this. Oh no! No, no! He's behind you.
Alright, so we have
Thank you.
this temporary control. Let's say. I'm gonna stay up high. I knew they were gonna be here, but they weren't immediately. So then I'm looking around, and then they instantly show up. Yeah, this fucking map. I swear.
Point C is under attack.
Crazy play.
Chester, you're so booty. And I'm not saying for you, I just spawned at HQ. You're so booty. You're not giving a
Crazy play.
Yeah, bro, you're behind me. And
Quicksand! There's a kid with a Genesis in there.
Winchester, not the Winchester.
Yeah, stop. Got combat,
Bro,
dude.
pistols look good. What's the outside?
Come here, Juke. Got combat. I got distracted. Sorry.
This is going so poorly. I want to lose at this point, man. I want to. If we run Mojave motherfucker again, I'm switching servers. I'm so done with this map. I'm so incredibly done with this map. It was stopped being fun the moment I played it for the first time. Bro. There's like nothing I can do. No, give them more sites. They want to fucking lose. I'm gonna take them back in like 2 seconds. It's fine.
Point B is being attacked.
Okay, I know where one is. That doesn't do me any good.
Kills I have.
Like 50 million. You're awesome.
I have 2 kills and 15 deaths.
Hostiles are attacking point B.
I have 19. I have like 19.
Oh, shoot. Blindfold, why didn't you say anything? Oh, wait, no.
Because I'm muted, whore.
Enemy is attacking point B.
I'm not about to try to be talking to people right now.
User! Who just said my name? Oh no.
Okay, holy frame drop.
Oh my gosh, why is there 4 of you?
That frame drop all the way up the explosion, I think. Oh my god. The fact I'm still going right now is fucking wild. I know they're not actively shooting at me, but still.
Stop shooting me, Beano here!
Hey, the big guy. Hey, the big guy. How about you do your job? How about you medic? Oh my god.
Point B is under attack.
What? I was there for like 2 seconds. I wasn't even close to over there at that point. Oh, dude.
Don't make me show me your. Wait, don't make me show my penis.
Why am I doing 3rd in kills? Yeah, this team's cooked.
Just saying, so at least you can touch the line.
I'm doing 3rd best in kills. I have a fucking M9 as my only weapon.
Point A, point D captured.
Hey, hey, let's go.
My only weapon is an M9 barrage.
What are you doing over here? Why did we just get blown by thing?
I was waiting my
What is this? Yeah, I'm being aggro. I'm being aggressive. I'm trying to... I'm not really being that aggressive. I'm trying to get kills. That's my main goal, because I'm not good at getting kills with the fucking pistol yet. But I'm still trying to get kills. Not like other people aren't trying.
I'm gonna get in this dump truck and heal. This is a childhood dream.
No, you're just getting inside of my dump truck. You can get inside
Okay,
of
I'll
my
go
dump
fast
truck. You can get inside
Yeah,
of
see,
my
I don't...
dump truck.
I could not have shot enough bullets to kill this guy by the time he kills me. Which is why this doesn't work very well. If we run fucking Mohave again, or Mojave, or no Mo bitches, I don't
Enemy
fucking
is
know.
attacking point D.
A retard con.
Who's texting me?
I'm so sick of this map. I know the layout now.
I'm gonna go explore the world.
Know it enough, at least. Thank God.
We lost this.
This is the worst map I've ever played.
Are those missiles?
Fuck off.
Guys, what's this all? What is it? Wait, guys, do they call that sticky bomb or C4?
I don't know. I need to see the missile silos.
And I died again.
There's missile silos.
Oh.
Oh yeah, 27 and 11.
I do. 12 and 18. Which is, I'm gonna repeat,
Yeah.
3rd best kills on my team.
Guys, what map are we doing? What map should we do, guys?
What the fuck?
Everybody do random, please.
Iron Scout is
Yes, Clearwater. Let's run an actual map.
Hey, all I see is
I hope they remove Mohave from in existence and just like fucking say, hey, I apologize for this shitty map. Like you should, oh my lord.
user.
Guys, I'm gonna start calling Mojave molestation. How fucking bad it is.
Why is your bullet trying to face out?
We need to start a petition to make that new normal. Like if people call marijuana marijuana.
because I got
Because how
I
good
got
it is.
bitten by my tail while.
skins in this. So sadly, there's no vehicles up there.
We got point D.
Bye.
Point B is ours.
Catch up.
Yeah! He's wall riding. Oh my gosh.
Point B is being attacked.
Yeah!
Okay, it stopped working. Oh.
Yeah, get out of our way.
Mm-mm.
dude.
Mm-mm.
Get out of our way, bro.
Oh, oh, oh.
No bush camping.
We'll,
Yo,
we'll,
and Lex, you
we'll
wanna
get
ride
up there
with
eventually. Alright, there we go. Yeah! Go to B. Trying to make that a report.
Guys, I love this.
Holy guacamole. I didn't even know there was
This guy.
one.
I'm gonna stand to this. The fucking range on the spaz is dumb as shit. People complain about Genesis? Nah, man. Genesis is fair range.
Enemy captured point B.
The range on Genesis is buns. It's a fucking shotgun, as it should be. Range on the spaz is crazy. I don't care if y'all are like, oh, we gotta pump it back. I don't give two shits. Pumping it back is not that hard. It's an inconvenience. It is a fucking inconvenience. Like, oh my lord.
We got point A.
I'm gonna bitch. I bitch about spots every time I die to it because like it's the range is so stupid. And most of the time I die to it, it's at some stupid range. I can't win that. Not against a crate. Nope. I'm gonna swap lobbies. This one is just getting so old. The team diff is just so real on this one, and it's not fun. Forefront refuses to balance out teams. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop this recording because I don't want to do an hour-long, well, hour and a half long video. But I'm gonna keep playing. I'm just gonna record again. Talk to y'all later.